Hi everyone, I'm Frank from WeDo Innovate, Shenzhen, China. In this year, ISE 2024, we present a new product, TB5W kit. It's a video bar with 4K camera, with a microphone array and a speaker. So for the hard ROM, this one can work along with mini PC. Then you can have a video conference very easily. And if you have a bigger room, you want a better voice pickup, then we recommend this wireless microphone array. It is four microphone together with the charging token. So you see, it's all wirelessly paired automatically. So the easily mute and the voice pickup with AI algorithm. So very good for noise suppression, dereverbation, and audio gain control. So it can be. By the way, the video bar has already been Zoom Room certified. So the video and audio quality is very professional. Yeah. So if you are interested with this product, you are welcome to visit our website, www.wedoinnovate.com. Thank you.